Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Wake&Tech. In this video, I'm going to show you how to delete your account on the Pixlr photo editor application. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up your web browser and then in the address bar type in pixlr.com and press enter. You will now be taken into the official Pixlr website. Now, if you haven't logged into your account already, click on the sign up/login button at the top section and then use your credentials to log in. After logging in, if you wish to delete your account, click on your account icon at the top. And now within your profile editor menu, if you scroll all the way down, you will see the delete account button. Go ahead and click on this and you will be asked to choose a reason for leaving Pixlr. You can choose any from the drop down menu and click on delete forever. Once you click on this, you might be asked to enter your password in order to verify your identity or use a verification code that will be sent to your email. After proceeding from either one of these methods, your account will be scheduled for deletion and you will be logged out from your account. After this step, if you don't log back in for another 30 days, then your account will be permanently deleted. So if you change your mind before 30 days, then you can simply log back into your account and your deletion will be cancelled. Otherwise, just wait 1 month and your account will be permanently deleted. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to delete your account on the Pixlr photo editor app. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching and I will see you again in the next video.